After last night's debate, Miss Kamala Harris, baby, I needed a full energizing shake. Cause, I lost all my energy last night. She was a savage, classy, bougie, savage. Y'all, I had to give me some silk on the milk for how slick and silk them hits Kamala was giving last night. Baby, I needed my protein this morning, baby. Stirred up peanut butter, peanut pan, baby, cream. Ooh, baby, but she was stirring up all kinds of sauce. Baby, that Vital 300, all vitamin. Baby, I need every one of A through Z, E, F, G, any vitamin they had, baby. I needed it, baby, because she was so serving him up what? All of the tea, baby. So that leads me to detox, baby. I had to wash all that foolishness off of me last night that he was trying to give, and she was not having it, baby. I got the runoffs this morning, baby. Because she was running him down, baby. Stirring him up, showing him down. And that what? Meringue leaf powder. Oh, my. If my sugar wasn't spiked, baby, I might have went into adult diabetic. Oh, my bad. That's a pre-existing disorder. And she what? Laid the law down on that. Come for it. Baby, green machine. Popeyes, your spinach just wasn't enough. I needed some super green, baby. Because she what? Super knocked him out. That's the shake of the day. We're going to call that thing the Kamala Harris Vital Detox Knockout.